Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Embedding the Python interpreter and Python app source code into a compiled program is indeed possible, and it can be achieved using tools like PyInstaller or py2exe. This process is often referred to as freezing or bundling the Python code into a standalone executable. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps of embedding a simple Python script into a compiled program using PyInstaller as an example. First, make sure you have PyInstaller installed. You can install it using pip. Create a simple Python script that you want to embed. For this example, let's create a script named my_script.py. Now, use PyInstaller to create a standalone executable from your Python script. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing your script, then run. This command will create a dist directory containing the compiled executable. Navigate to the dist directory, and you will find the compiled executable, example my_script.exe on Windows, or my_script on Linux. Run the executable. You should see the output. PyInstaller packages the Python interpreter and your script into a single executable file. The OneFile option specifies that you want a single executable rather than a directory of files. Dependencies. If your Python script has external dependencies, PyInstaller will include them in the compiled executable. However, some dependencies might require additional configurations. Platform. PyInstaller can be used on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. If you want to compile your script for a different platform, you might need to use PyInstaller on that specific platform. Executable size. Keep in mind that the standalone executable will be larger than your original Python script, as it includes the Python interpreter and other necessary files. By following these steps, you can embed a Python script into a compiled program using PyInstaller. Similar principles apply to other freezing tools like py2exe and cx_freeze, but the specific commands and options may vary. ChatGPT.